Hi friends, this is application with Lora, and this is project regarding sending parameters from one place to remote control room with wireless communication. So this project contains different modules like microcontroller, which is Arduino Uno, and text display screen, which is 16x2 LCD, and 4 inputs like temperature and humidity measurement by using DHT11 sensor, and there is this gas sensor which is MQ3 module, and one flame sensor which is fire, used for fire detection, and output units buzzer, whereas Lora module. So this transmission unit collecting the parameters like collecting the temperature and humidity on the existence place. Whenever fire occurred on the place, it should transmit information to control room. So I have another unit which is receiving unit, which is having same Lora module in the receiver side and controller unit. So this controller unit will allow to display my parameters on the web page or serial port with a laptop or computer. And this coming to connections, so your LCD have VCC ground and RS enable and 4 data lines. So anyway, you are working with 4-bit mode here, and the temperature and humidity DHT11 sensor have 3 lines: ground, VCC and output. And smoke sensor also have 3 lines: VCC, ground and output. The output pins are connected across pin number 14, 15, 16 pins from the sensors, and the flame sensor output also connected with 16th pin. Whereas Lora module, which is SPI based Lora module, so they have standard MISO, MOSI and VCC, ground and clock and reset pins. So these connections which is given to SPI pins from the Arduino, which are available on 10, 11, 12, 13. So this is your hardware connections, and the receiver side also have same pins, the SPI pins which are connected with Arduino, and your Lora module is working with 3.3 volts operating voltage. So one 3.3 volts VCC line and ground line. So now I'll show the output of the module. So here we displayed just title of the project, which is Lora based forest control system, and I am measuring all the parameters from the sensors: temperature, humidity and gas levels from the sensors. And whenever I shown fire across the flame sensor, I'll get alert along with the buzzer. And this receiver module which will receive the information whatever the parameters which is showing there and on the serial port. See, whenever fire detected, so then you will get alert and as well as text screen. So just I am giving fire input across the flame sensor. So there is a text and as well as buzzer alert. So this information is given to receiver side. Thanks for watching. For more projects, you can contact us.